Morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Da, da, da. Tell me why. Tell me why. Good morning, good morning, good morning. 24. Hey, 124.24. How cute is that? Wednesday. SafetyTrade.com. I think that's it. Let's go down here. Good morning, everybody. As always, be right with you. Just have to get the YouTube channel set up. Flip the live on for TikTok, and then we'll get. And we're live on YouTube. Let's see if we got people here. Hopefully that sane is sleeping. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. I think we're all set. I doubt anybody's here, as no one should be. Okay, we're live on TikTok and YouTube now. Let me just get this TikTok up and rolling. Yep, we are. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, nor is anyone associated with this channel. I hope you guys all understand that. I have these two trades right now. This is from yesterday. This is from the day before. You can read over about the financial planner part. Pause and read that. Feel free. System is on trading view. I called out going towards the blue line. Here you're looking at it right here in the 1 minute. It's going to do a ricochet. Sell stop US 30 backwards this blue line. It's going to come up, touch this little thing here, and hook back down again. So it's going to come up like it is, and then hook and come back down towards this blue line and probably past it. That's US 30. For NAS, sell stop towards the blue line. SPX sell stop towards its blue line. We'll see how she blows. They got a ways to go. But US 30 is already heading towards it. All right. Let's see what we got here. Excellent. Now, we're going to whip through a few of these symbols. You'll see a sell now. You'll arch up a little bit, then you'll arch down again. And then you'll see somewhere this morning, probably around 30 to 10:30-ish, somewhere in that range, you'll see a buy stop form for the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. Good morning. Excellent morning to you, sir. Looks like we might be alone this morning. I did want to point out that US 30 has already come down towards this blue line. It's going to ricochet and come back down again. Sell stop US 30 to its blue line, along with the other two, as I called last night. And then you'll see that buy stop later on. But we do have to count that buy stop. So let me get to that in a minute. Current trades. I'm going to stay in these trades. I have my take profit set, so I'm staying in these two. This is from days ago. This is from yesterday. 0.05. I'm sorry, 0.5 lot size. Good morning, Boost. Might be just us, guys. You never know. Morning, the Griffey. All right, so that's your call outs for the indices right now. We'll get back to those in a little bit later. Very first one we're going to call this morning. Oh, hold on. Morning fast. We're going to call out oil. All right, here we go. I'm going to make the call outs for 10, 12 indices. Let me just get a couple things started here. All right. US and UK oil. 1 minute buy stop. 15, oh, still got to come back down a little bit. 30 minute, 1 hour. Already went to the blue line. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop to the 4 hour blue line. Daily sell stop, US oil. And that's all I'm calling for US and UK oil. Amazon, nothing changed obviously overnight from my call. Let's see. They're recommending this since $91 a share. I think it was 91. Yeah, I'm going to go with 1 minute. Let it rebound. Let it come back down, retrace a little bit. And then you're looking at another 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop. Amazon. XRP. Yeah, nothing but good news for the cryptos, and they're going straight for the bottom. Looks to me like a 1 minute. Hold on. Yeah, 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. XRP, 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the XRP 5 minute blue line. Then look for a 15 minute, 1 hour sell stop. And then look for, nope, too late on that one. A daily buy stop, weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop, XRP. Ethereum, 1 minute. Bitcoin. Nice. So they're going to ride up now. Okay. Ethereum. More second on Ethereum. 1 more second. Whatever I call for Ethereum, they're going to be playing in Ethereum would be very similar. Yep. Buy stop. Buy stop. Ethereum. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line of Bitcoin. Ethereum. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. Ethereum forming a 15 minute, 1 hour sell stop. Ethereum forming a 1 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line. Ethereum daily buy. Ethereum weekly sell. Ethereum monthly buy. Bitcoin 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. Bitcoin 1 minute, 5 minute, forming a 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop. Bitcoin 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line. Bitcoin daily buy stop. Bitcoin weekly, Bitcoin monthly buy stop. GBP JPY. Buy stop. GY, GBP JPY. 1 minute. Yeah. 5 minute too late though. It's too late. I wouldn't touch this one. Made its movement up. If anything, wait for a 1 minute sell stop, and then you can get back in on the buy on the 1 hour. That's GY. EURUSD is the opposite of USD CHF. So we're going to call for EURUSD. EU is the opposite of USD. 1 minute. Boop, 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 boop. So it's already moved. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. EUR/USD. Look at that. To the 15-minute blue line, perfectly called last night. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30-minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line. EUR/USD. Forming a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Forming a daily buy to the blue line. Weekly sell stop to the monthly line. EUR/USD. Gold. 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. Probably, we'll see. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Gold, 5 minute buy stop. Gold, 5 minute to the 30 minute. Already hit it. Called that last night too. You're welcome. 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. 30 minute sell stop to the line. 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hours to the 4 hour blue line. Daily buy stop gold. And that's where gold is right now. Already called out the 3 indices, called those out last night. Literally called them out. US 30 came down, touched this blue line as I called out last night. You'll see a ricochet and it come back down to here. If it doesn't, yeah, so what? We're going to make a lot of money on these buys. Yeah, officially 1 minute buy stop all 3 indices. Unofficially, which I prefer, 1 minute sell stops all 3 indices towards their blue line. Now, if they don't go down, touch these now, I just think they're going to. See, I still like the 15th minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, depending on which symbol you're using buy stops. Good morning, Eugene. Good morning, Shash, and God bless. Good morning, Chris Ellen. Good morning, Jan. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Boost. Good morning, user 4707. Hey, Kelly. Oopsie, hold on, don't want to do that. Kelly McMahon. Good morning, Antoinette and the Griffey. Good morning, Robel. All right, so we just called out those, I don't know, dozen or so symbols. Called out SPX, NAS, and US 30. Now, let's take a look at what happened to our trades, how great and fantastic they were yesterday, how easy it is to trade these. Let's just take a nice little look. How freaking awesome. Da, 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 da. Tell me why. Tell me why. I have it my way. Tell me why. Beautiful. We already had the touch. Hey, I'm surprised this wasn't called. Blue line wasn't low enough. Oh, we already had a buy stop. USD already did what it was supposed to do. Neat. Yep, did. How fucking cool is that? I didn't even notice. That's what happens when it's 5 in the morning. You got less 4 hours of sleep. All right. So we're going to take a look at our little handy dandy H&H scanner. Of course, free gift from Bree at the scanner rooms and or the sniper. US 30 came down, touched this blue line. So this turned red momentarily, and we remain green. We're waiting for these to turn. Once one does, look for sell stop for the other two. Not saying it's going to happen now. I do think it's going to happen before 9:30, though. So we'll wait and watch this. Nothing else going on. It's all solid green. Don't forget, this is getting a free upgrade, too, very soon. Now, why on earth? What on earth? My alarm just went off from my phone, and I don't have any alarm set. Yeah, I don't have an alarm set for 5:43 a.m. Fuck, I should be sound asleep. Anywho. 9:45 a.m. Yay. Hopefully that'll be something fun. For those of you joining lately, I do have 2 trades open, both buys. One from 2 days ago and one from yesterday. Runners, gotta let things run. Thank you, Dr. Harry, for saying the news. Ricky, I'm watching the video from you. I missed this live notification. Can't miss it if you sign up for the notifications on my website and or you sign up for the alerts through YouTube. 100% of the time, it'll give you the alert through YouTube. Signed up for the alerts through email, you'll get those also from me. And I would also recommend going to the Real Safety Trade on TikTok, and you can sign up for there. So if you have alerts from TikTok, you have alerts from YouTube, and you have alerts from me, trust me, you can't miss it. So take responsibility. You can figure that one out. Lordy. Okay. Bye. That US 30 been beautiful. I wish I was awake an hour ago. All right, let's go over the rules. Tell me why. All right, let's take a look. These are the rules exactly how to trade. These are the signal rules. Your free upgrade, but all the rules, all they ever mean: green up, red arrow down. Those two, find them. Well, I have a signal service I offer. So the signal service sends you out an email. 150 a month gets you 5 and more, given more. 250 gives you 10. And then 350 gives you currently through an email. It's absolutely switching over from email to the Discord. We're going to have an alert system through the new Discord we have. It's functional. We've been testing it for the last 2 weeks. It's working. This is an example of the alert you'll get. Okay, now, when you receive an alert, a signal, or when trying to trade, the first step you do to trading is this. You go to the 1 hour charts and you verify 2 out of the 3 indices are exactly like this for a buy stop. High sniper blue, low pink, and so on. And the very first time this happens is the best. That's my first trade a couple of days ago. Then look for the 1 hour logo. See how long that step will take us. Literally seconds if you're using TradingView. Let's start with S like I always do. Are these two separate? No. One is in high, pink is high. So this is no longer a 1 hour buy. You can't call it that. So then we go to here. Nope, that's 2 out of 3. Nothing we can do. US 30, definitely not. So all 3 of these are wrong, unlike today. There's no trade to even be looked at. You don't go to number 2. Does everybody understand when the 1 hours aren't the way we want to see them? There is no trade this morning at this time. 7s for yes, you understand that. 9s for you don't understand that. Good morning, D Nice. Da 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 da. Tell me why. Tell me why. Being on both D Nice and Antoinette. What's up, Jan? What's up, Eugene? All right. Cool. What's up, Boost? Posting that picture. Beautiful Jeep. Wow. Him and his wife got. We're more Toyotas. We got 4Runners, but nonetheless, can't go with either. All right. So we don't go forward. But if they were the way we're supposed to see those, you would only go to step 2. And here's step 2. You go to the 15-minute and do the exact same thing. Well, it's opposite. Sniper's opposite. But other than that, you just look for your 15-minute, look for your go. Okay, so let's take a look. Fly 850 pip US 30. I'm sorry, NAS. Congratulations, Jan. 100 pip runner on NAS, an 850 pip runner on NAS, a 100 pip runner on US 30. Congratulations, Jan. Fly to the sky. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Tell me why. So has to occur. We need 3 to be down low. Blue, it is not. We need 4. We need a buy stop somewhere around here. We do not see that. It was a little bit ago. That's why US 30 broke late. Everybody was expecting it to break yesterday. It broke. That's called life. Still broke though. All right. It's not the opposite here yet either. The blue line isn't low. You can't take this trade. It has to come down for NAS. And then SP same way. It's not that. So there's nothing we can do. No trades to be had at this moment in time. We need a retracement downward, and then we'll look for the buy stop day. That's just me. You guys trade the way you want. All right. So those are the 2 things you look for. If they're there, our logo, no sense of even looking, literally be done with seeing if the trade was any good in less than a minute. I should call it 1 minute trading. Boom, boom, boom. Either it's there or it's not. Here's your trade entry rules. The runners is what Jan and I are talking about. You close one down after a few pips profit, the other one run. Holy shit, if she's finding out that they run. If you ever did a wrong trade, this is my best training video I've ever done. I've done over 1,000 live YouTube videos in the last year and a half. The best one I've ever done for training on my system, just type in Frida, RFIEDA. Was on a live phone call from her. Go to YouTube, type in Safety Trade Frida. If you ever did anything wrong, it'll fix it. Do's and don'ts. Make sure you look for the best. See, all 3 went up yesterday. Let me be clear. All 3 will move in the same direction, but one symbol will always have the best setup. That's what I'm telling you. Trading rules. These are your rules. Where to put your stop loss, how to take profit. Most important rule of all, always thank God and do good with your profits. Beginners have rules. Step by step, exactly what I do. I just got up a little bit ago. I thank God. I then go do my exercises. I'm doing this first. I'm going to do my exercise after this while I'm walking on the treadmill. Look at my H&H scan. I already did that for you. And then I look at the rules and review them every day. I swear, like one guy, but yeah, just make sure you look at your rules, rewatch them, redo them. This is the legal disclaimers. So literally, you guys are like, oh, it takes so long. Oh, it's hard to learn. If you follow those rules and you skim through, oh, damn. And you skim through, that sucks ass. Hold on one second, sorry. And you skim through the rules even before you do anything. Skim through the rules, right? You should be done with your trading 3 indices in less than, I don't know, 5 minutes, maybe at the most. See, pink line's going to come down. You're going to see this come all the way down and flat like it did yesterday. Then it's going to arch and come back up again. Tell me why. Yep, I wouldn't take this buy stop until at least it ricochets off this yellow line, or preferably goes below the yellow line or the green line, preferably. And then we'll take that buy stop. Okay, that's for NAS. Yeah, same way. Tell me why. I was very close to the 1 hour line from NAS. Sadly, they picked my second runner. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you'll get it where you think you have enough room for it to go down, and they'll get down a little further and take it, is what she's saying. Yeah, that happens. All right. Remember, we offer 3 different things with our system. We offer the scanner room. Can't brag on Keith Palmer for this one. Unbelievably cool, unbelievably effective. This is our free gift from Bree and I. Again, that H&H if you buy the scanner room for $50 a month. You pick out any 2 of these rooms. See how it's looking this morning. I see a little move. U.S. oil 5-minute buy stop. Gee, does anyone say that? Let's see over here. Australian, France, Germany. Look at them all. There's gold, euro gold. Da, 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 da. Forex. Good morning, Mark. Forex isn't quite lively right now. Let's see if crypto's doing anything. Hell, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Of course, I ain't gonna do shit this morning. Stocks. All right, let's go over to Forex top. Interesting. Okay. Crypto top 10. Not much. Then, of course, our home. So that scanner is $50 a month. You pick 2 rooms to be happy. We also offer the sniper, which is the only thing I ever trade with, $150 a month. Boom, boom. Again, it's going to tell us pink line, flat lines like it did yesterday. Just like it did on US 30, just like it did on NAS. Okay. So that is $150 a month. Sell a car, my car, in order to have this sniper. That's how important it is for me to be trading with it. Signal tiers. Signal tiers, let's see. Da, 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 da. Right here. We have 3 tiers. For the first time in my career as my lifetime of ever doing trading, I'm offering signals after 2 years of being on TikTok, 1.5 years of being on YouTube. I'm offering signals. They vary in price and range from $150 to $350. The signals right now are only working with 15-minute, 1-hour NAS, SPX, and US3. They've called 8 different signals. So far, they've been right 8 times for 100% win rate. By a win, I mean the symbols went up over 20 pips. Why do I use 20 pips? I use 20 pips because the average professional trader makes 10 pips in a day. So I want to double what they do, minimum. And I do believe we've 10 times that number, multiple times now. I know we did yesterday on NAS. FX, I'm sure US 30 is doing it right now too. So soon, the signal service will be up if you're in any of the signal rooms free to gold within a month or 2, oil within a month or 2. You'll be seeing signals for probably at least a dozen more symbols. Those will all be free upgrades, everybody in any of the rooms. Now, the Holy Grail trade. People think that I'm crazy or a loon, or how can I say this with a straight face? You have to be lying. And I tell them that I never exaggerate. I never, when it comes to trading, I am serious as you can possibly be. I might sing, I might have fun. But the reality is when I tell you I had a goal to develop a trade that never misses, it was ironic because that was about 9 years ago, right? 9, 10 years ago. And back then, I couldn't get one trade to go right for me. Literally, I'd place a trade, and a second later, the trade would turn against me. I would sell, I would lose, and then eventually, if I thought I was up $1, I would sell. But then my losers would be 20. That old, beginner trader mindset. So to tell you that this Holy Grail trade that I will not miss, cannot miss, they literally programmed 6 different symbols to work against each other. And since I have a system that calls out the buy stops and sell stops with unbelievably uncanny correct accuracy, I pitted them against each other. And when I get a certain read on those 6 symbols, I am able to go ahead and make a call called the Holy Grail trade. I promise you, when that Holy Grail trade is done, everybody in the Tier 3 Signal group will be getting all of those for free every month. It might be 1 a month, it might be 5 a month, it might be 10 a month. But the Holy Grail trade will not miss unless God wants it to. What does God have to do with trading? Everything, in case you guys never been here and your first time here. I believe in God. I don't care if you call him Jesus, Muhammad, or Flying Saucer, but someone, something, some God gave me the inspiration to create this system and to allow me to share it with you guys. Tell me why. So the Holy Grail trade is coming. Remember, we are a senior Stan ambassador. Stan is a store, blah, 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 like Shopify. What does that mean? We just make a shit ton of money off the stores. Yeah. Very happy. So we have Signal Tier, Sniper, add-on, scanner rooms, only 3 things we have. If you're doing great with the system, please renew. If you're doing great with the system and making any kind of money, please support the system. Where you put your money is where the money goes, is what happens. In other words, if you can afford the scanner room because you're making money with the system, get it. If you can afford, it doesn't matter whether you use it or not. Listen to what I'm telling you. If you can afford Sniper add-on, which you should have anyways, and you're doing great with the system, then get it. If you can afford the signals, get them. I'm just saying that if you're doing great with the system, don't stop what got you there. We've had a couple people in the past, they've since corrected themselves, and I give them credit for that, where literally they retired from using the system, or they retired their husband or wives from using the system. And then they stopped the Sniper. Then they stopped the, we didn't have signals back then, but they stopped the scanner. And I'm thinking, what in the world? Why would you stop something that just made you be able to retire? Oh, I know how to trade now. Well, that's great. I'm thrilled that you know how to trade. That's my whole point of what I do, right? I want you all to be able to be self-sufficient trading. But what is funny is when you stop that, you're no longer supporting the hand that fed you. You don't have to get these things, but if you're doing good with the system, you really kind of should. Kind of like if you're just taking and taking and taking of these signals I give out every day, right? No names mentioned. I don't mind if you follow me to verify real that I'm making the correct calls, that these trades are right after right after right. That's fantastic. I get that. Do that. Do that for a month or 2 or 3. But I literally have someone on here that for over a year and haven't bought the system. I don't care. That's just not right. You're going to be in bad karma. Trust me on that one. Instead of just stealing and taking, you should give back to those who are helping you. Every day I'm here trying to help you all make money. Every day I'm making these lives, usually 2 times a day, at least 2 or 3 times a day, 2 or 3 times a week. Now, haven't been live to the open lately because, well, I'm trying to get this signal thing corrected. Yeah, we're at 100%. Still making it better, by the way. So, yeah, I'm going to get the signal thing corrected. I've been working with Key tirelessly, and we're ready to, it'll be done and ready to be operational Monday for the Discord part of things. So, yeah, just support to support you. I'm here every day trying to help support back, okay? A lot of you have renewals. Hundreds of you are up for renewal over the next several months. Hundreds of you. With that said, you don't have to wait until your system expires. It'll quit working. It'll expire. It will go away if you're on TradingView. That's not good. In order to avoid that, you can renew, even if you're not renewing till 2 months from now. Say you're not renewing till May. You can still renew now or next week, whatever. Use your tax money refunds, whatever the hell that is, right? Just go ahead and renew now. We don't penalize you. You don't lose the months. We just add on months. So if you renew now, it's not till May. You'll get an extra, whatever that is, 4 months, 3-4 months. So that's all. You might want to renew before you have any interruption in your system. Da, 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 da. I'm so excited. I helped a family member finally get set up in TradingView. And I'm sorry, yeah, in TradingView and then on Nadex. And she made her first 3 demo trades on Nadex last night. And she made like $4, $20, and I think it was $480. I'm so happy for her. Let me see right here. She made $435 on her 3rd Nadex trade last night. All last night as it was going up, obviously. But I'm very, very proud of her. Couldn't be any more proud of her. That was amazing what she did. So that's cool. And she gets taught the exact same way you guys get taught. There is no difference. Morning, Steve. US 30, yep, just broke late. Morning, Manula. Morning, Limo. Sorry, slaughter people's names. Good morning, everybody. All right. So this is what she's going to do the rest of the day. Let's take a look. In a book, reading Shmang, I can do anything. All right. This is how you guys should be looking at. Look at US 30 go. Son of a bitch. You go US 30. We'll use them as an example. Now, be clear about something, okay? We have to understand. Look at all my lines. Woo! These are all your positive signals. You have to understand it's already gone up once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. I'm not saying it's not going to continue to go up. I'm telling you the first time is the best. The second time is fine. The third time? So this is my watch. First time would have been right here. Second time is right here. This is my first entry 2 days ago. Yesterday, entry right here. And yes, I do have my stop loss, but I don't know why it's not showing. Probably because it's on the hourly. Hold on. I got to move profits. All right. And I'm going to move this one up to here. I do trade several different accounts at the same time. Only one now. 2 technically. Well, one has money in it. I'm MetaTrader 4. They're having issues. Anyway, first entry was right here on this day, called out by the signals. Second entry was yesterday, called out by the signals twice with the bot break. Currently, we're up, whatever the fuck that is, like 540 pips or something. Let's see. 400, almost 500 pips. These are the trades. So 228 times 2, 444. Yep, and then over here, that's almost 400, so that's 200 pips. So we're up 200 pips and we're up 400 pips-ish, a little over on both. And there you go. So those are my 2 runners I still have going at 0.5s NAS as buys. Why did I do the buys? This is exactly why. Our logo, boop, buy stop. Called out by the system, by the way, the signal system. Called out yesterday twice, buy stop, buy stop. You see them? These were called out yesterday morning at 5 a.m. I drew out what it was going to do. I literally took my little drawer tool right here. And I said, hey, guys, this is the remainder of what it's going to do. And I already did the logo here, and it came over here. Shot up here, went down. It's going to shoot up here, come back out, and hook. Now, this, again, will be about the 5th or 6th time. You should have made the trades already. If you're already trying to do a stop on NAS or SPX or US 30, I hate to tell you, but it's 2, 3 late, 4 times too late, and this will be the 5th time. Again, I'm not saying it won't do it. I'm telling you, you're going to be beating a dead horse. But if we still see the proper setup on all these, I'm still calling it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be the 5th time. This is your hourly. I hope you guys see that. Does everybody understand that if you're trying to get a buy stop on NAS or SPX or US 30 now, you're about 500 pips too late on NAS And you're probably well over that on US 30. I can tell you in a second here. Hold on. Tell me why. Sevens, if you understand that you're too late or you're just risking more. It's not necessarily your first buy stop here. Yeah, 600 pips on US 30. It's just that you want to catch the first, second, or even third one. We're talking about catching the fifth one now. Hope it does. I want to see you again, 1,500 pip on the Nash trade. Nice fly. I hope it does for you. Good morning, Steve. So you guys caught that because this is what's going to happen. The signals send out a signal for a buy stop. 2 out of the 3 won't do it. 1 might give us 10 or 15, 20 pips. Then it will flip and start to come back down again. So you don't want to be caught in that transitional period. I'm not saying that it's not going to go up. Matter of fact, I'm telling you the opposite. It probably will go up. I am saying that, watch, that, I'll change it up. That you want to be careful when it starts to be getting a lot. See, look, let me just show you this. This is the hourly, right? These are your hourlies down. These are your hourlies up. Watch. Hourlies down. Transition to up, right? Then transition to down. Then it transitioned to up, right? Then it's going to transition to down. Then it's going to transition to up. That's all it's doing over and over and over again. You just see how accurately, look at that US30 buy stop. Perfection. Everyone, oh, US30 didn't go up yesterday. The fuck it didn't. It didn't go up in the time period you wanted it to. That's called tough shit. It did the right thing. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. Just because it didn't do it on your time frame doesn't mean that US 30 didn't react perfectly. Of course it did. And of course, NAS to the moon, SPX to the moon. So hopefully you guys get the and they always say, oh, the market works in 3s and 4s. The market works fucking times it wants to work. So if it gives you 2 buys, if it gives you 5 buys, take them. Perhaps today, instead of putting in 10 contracts on Nadex, put in 1. And then that way you can still make, $300, $400 on a contract if you're doing a knockout. A couple weeks ago, I took nice, Jan, 3,490 pips on 1 trade. Damn, awesome. All right. Does anybody have any questions for me before we go? Don't forget, the system is made for beginners. Yes, if you have trouble, the facts, 1/3 of you will fail with my system no matter how hard I try. That's just generally for any system, not mine in particular. The facts are 1/3 of you will break even and eventually be profitable. The facts are 1/3 of you are profitable with my system. Doesn't matter if it takes you a year to learn the system. You'll learn it. One of the guys last night sent in an email, him and his wife were asked with it. I had another 2 or 3 emails. And then I had one email from a gentleman who said, oh, I'm going to take my trading in a different direction. What direction is he taking his trading? It's called failure direction. At least with my system, you have a shot at winning. If you don't use my system, you have a 99% failure rate. There is no other direction to take with trading. Good morning, Adam. Just about done. Sally and I took it earlier on with 1,400. It was nice. Jan, I'm so proud. See, Jan's one. Jan not take easily to the system. Jan was not a natural born killer when it came to the system. Jan had to very hard and be persevere. Be persevere, right? And now Jan has gotten it. Maria Toller, the same way. Kimberly Harrington, the same way. Some of y'all take a while to catch on. It's okay. And matter of fact, you'll probably end up doing better because you worked harder at it. So just hang in there. Every one of you can succeed at the system. Just don't overthink it. But it gets better. Correct, Jan. All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions before I roll? Anybody on YouTube have any questions before I roll? I went over everything. I told you what to look for. I drew out what's going to happen. You're going to see a burst upward, small burst upward on all 3 indices. They'll come back down. Then you'll see a bigger burst. It's exactly what happened yesterday and the day before that. You can clearly see your buy stop right here. That is indicative of a W right there. Here it is on NAS. Here it is on US 30. And US 30 is, by the way, going up, rocketing right now as you speak. Here it is. Boom, boom. You see that double break on the back? That is a W. Started high, came low, started high, came low. I can draw it for it if you want. And that's what you wait for. If you ever just wait for the second leg of it, boop, and there it is. That's what it looks like on the Bach. This is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like when it's just one solid Bach break right here. That's it. So, yep, easy peasy. Don't overcomplicate things. Da, 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 da. I would almost, if it keeps going up from here and never comes down, I guess for me, I'll have a shit ton more money. But you guys, I do believe it's going to go up, hook, and come back down and do it again, just like it did yesterday over here. If you have patience, fits take all day. Some of you are used to 30-second, 1-minute trades or 1-minute, 5-minute trades. This ain't that. 15 minutes usually happen once in a day, whether it's a buy or a sell. And it just takes time. You have to have patience, as my loving wife says. Patience is the love language of trading. Bree, the smartest person I know. Not only she's the sexiest person I know, the most beautiful person I know, she's the smartest person I know, the nicest person I know. And I just grateful to God that she's my best friend and thankful for her every day. And you all should be too, because she smooths me out. I have a low tolerance for people when they act silly. There's a very high tolerance for people when they act silly. So it's a pretty good match we have. All right. What's up, Kev? Kevin Alderman. What's up? Hi, talkers and YouTubers and everybody else in the world out there, Earth. Da, 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 da. 41 minutes. Da, 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 da. All right. If no one else has any other questions, concerns, or comments, I give you always the opportunity to rate my sessions, my live shows on a scale from 1 to 10. If it's anything other than 10, give me a reason so I can learn from it, or your rating will be discarded. If it's 10 or higher, that's fucking awesome. On a scale from 1 to 10 this morning, I taught you all how to do your trades on your buy stops. I told you what to look for. I told you what NAS, SPX, US 30 is going to do, plus 10 other symbols. I put in my all, best I could do. I'll start hanging through probably next week. Tuesday, Wednesday, I'll probably do it in a week. Where I'll stick through the 8:30s, the 9:30s, the 10. Just not now. I got too much to do. I'm going to spend the next 7 o'clock in the morning on average, till probably 10 o'clock tonight, working on the signal service for you. So that's what I'll be doing. All right. Thank you, man. Thank you, Larry. 72.5. Thank you, Kevin. Jan 1000. All right. On a scale from 1 to 10, if anyone has to give me a 1, go ahead. Feel free, but make sure you have a reason for it. All right, guys. Take care and God bless. I'm going to sign off of TikTok first. Da, 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 da. Tell me why. Da, 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 da. Tell me why. Da, da. A million. Thank you, Steve. All right. I guess no one else on YouTube is happy with me. I got two things. That's funny. Thank you, Ricky. But again, this is your time to complain. Oh, look at that. Or not. Hold on. Da, 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 da. Tell me why. Da, 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 da. Tell me why. Da, da. That's probably why you want to listen to that. YouTube. All right, guys. God bless. Have a great day. I'll see you this evening. I'll probably be back on later this evening. Tell me why. Da, 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 da.